In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely sign out or log out of your Gmail account from your PC or laptop. This process is especially handy when you've been using a shared computer or simply want to make sure that your Gmail account is secure. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Just type www.gmail.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Gmail homepage loads, go ahead and sign into your account if you aren't already. Now, if you're already signed in, you should be able to see your Gmail inbox right in front of you. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. If you have not set a profile picture, it will be represented by a generic icon or your initials. Click on that profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down, you'll find the Sign Out button usually placed at the bottom of the list. Go ahead and give that button a click. This will immediately log you out of your Gmail account. Now, you've successfully signed out of your Gmail account, and you'll be redirected to the login page where you would typically sign back in. Now, there might be times when you need to make sure all devices are logged out. For instance, if you left your account open on another computer, it's important to manage the devices connected to your account to maintain security. To do this, let's navigate to your Google account settings. Begin by clicking on the profile icon in Gmail as we did before, but this time click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account management page, which is like the central hub for all settings related to your Google account. Once you're on the Google account page, look at the navigation pane on the left and find the section titled Security. Click on it to be directed to the Security Settings page. Scroll down until you see the section called Your Devices. Click on Manage Devices to view all devices where your account is currently signed in. Here, you'll see a list of devices. If you spot a device that you don't recognize or simply wish to sign out from, click on it. You'll see an option to Sign Out. Clicking this will log you out from the respective device. Following these steps ensures that your Gmail account stays secure even if you've used multiple devices over some time. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel more confident managing your Gmail account security. Remember, it's always good practice to sign out from devices that you don't use regularly. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.